Hey there! If you're watching this video, you are probably looking for information on room 8582 on the Disney Dream. This is a deluxe veranda cabin. It is not the extended family version. This is the one that will sleep 3 to 4 people. I'm sure you've seen a lot of room tours. All rooms are pretty much the same, but let's give you a quick look around this one. One thing to note is that there are no USB ports in this room, nary a one. You will need to bring your own USB power hub or blocks. Depends how many devices you have. Let me show you what we brought. So you've got the USB block and cord, the kind of thing you can just get at Target for maybe 10 bucks. And then off of Amazon, I ordered this USB hub. So it's got 3 USB-A ports and 3 USB-C ports. And I believe this was about $25. You may be concerned that they might not let this on the ship, but it does not have a surge protector. It is just a cord and the hub, so you will be fine with this. This cabin is just around the corner from the midship elevators. You may think it would be noisy having people coming and going all through that area, but it's not, and it's really convenient. It's great to have the stairs and the elevators right there. Being on the 8th floor, we don't get any noise from the 11th floor where the restaurants and the pools and things are. We are also not getting noise from the 5th floor where all the kids clubs are. So that is a big plus. Cabin 8582 does have a connecting door to the cabin next door. So if you have another party you want to hang out with, this room could be one of your options. Yeah, so that's about it. I really like this room. Like I said, I like being close to the elevators. It is so convenient. It is not noisy at all. You're in the middle of the ship. You're not too high, so you're getting some pitching back and forth, but maybe not a whole lot. So I would definitely stay in this room again. Highly recommended.